Hello, are you an e-commerce seller tired of downloading Excel files from online marketplaces and manually entering transactions one by one? Not to worry anymore. Busy Recom has got you covered. With Busy Recom, you can effortlessly capture and securely store invoice details directly from your e-commerce platform. Let's explore this incredible feature. First, go to the add-on menu and open Busy Recom. On clicking the Busy Recom menu, the Busy Recom dashboard will appear. Now, first of all, we will do some basic configuration in order to capture orders and returns in just one click. So, we'll click on Administration and select Order Configuration here. Now, first of all, we'll select nickname of the marketplace. Next, if you want to maintain multiple GSTINs, then select Yes here. After that, select voucher series for B2B and B2C transactions. Also, you can select voucher series for sales return voucher. Next, we'll select the local sale type and central sale type. Next, select the material center. Specify party name here. You can select e-commerce platform name. Now, if you want to add some more details on vouchers such as order ID, order return date, then here you can specify yes and select the voucher optional field 1, voucher optional field 2, voucher optional field 3. And here you can select the item description 1. Now save this configuration. Once configuration is done, you can download the orders. For this, click on Download Orders tab. Now, here in this window, select the order start date and end date. One thing to note here is that order start date and end date should not have difference of more than 7 days. That is, you can download orders for 7 days at a time. Also, here you can see the date up to which orders are downloaded. If you will select the date again for which orders are already downloaded, then Busy Recom will ask you whether to skip or overwrite the data. Now select what you want to download, orders, returns. Now click on download button. On clicking download, all orders and returns for the specified date range will appear. Now, if any item that appears here doesn't exist in your data, then this window will appear. Now select whether you want to map it with some existing item or want to create a new one. After specifying all other details, click Save button. Now select the vouchers which you want to create and click Save button. Click Yes, and here you can see vouchers created successfully. Now if we will see sales list, all 4 vouchers are created. And here in the voucher, if we see item master is also created. So, did you see how quickly you downloaded your orders and returns, and that too so easily? What are you waiting for? Call your nearest channel partner today or call us at 8282828282 and purchase Busy Recom now. For informational videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.